Get ready for your daily dose of marketing strategies and tactics from entrepreneurs with the guile and experience to help you find success in any marketing capacity. You're listening to Marketing School with your instructors, Neil Patel and Eric Su.
To another episode of Marketing School. I'm Eric Su.
And I'm Neil Patel.
And today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing made simple. We're going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to make it work. So Neil, first and foremost, affiliate marketing has a bad rep, right? You can call it a performance marketing, whatever, but what is affiliate marketing first and why does it have a bad rep?
Affiliate marketing is performance-based marketing. Typically, as a business, you pay for traffic, whether it's Google AdWords, Facebook ads, even SEO. It takes time and energy, and time costs money. What affiliate marketing is someone says, hey, I can drive you leads or sales. You're already doing marketing, you're already spending money. If you're making $500 every time someone purchases something or becomes a lead in profit, how about I just charge you $100 every time I drive you a lead or a sale? So it's performance-based. The reason affiliate marketing has a bad rep is these affiliates, in some cases, not all, are really aggressive. They'll lie, they'll deceive people, they'll take ads that are really aggressive and put things that you don't offer in there just so they can get a sale. For example, they may end up putting in the ad saying, we'll include things like 24-hour support, we'll do things like, give you a free giveaway or enter you into win a car, or they may even do things like bid on your brand terms on Google and just take away sales from you that you should have had without paying them.
Yeah, so the easiest way to get started is there's a lot to cover, but we can only do so much in a short podcast episode. So I recommend reading a book by, I believe it's Gino. I forgot what his last name is, but if you go to Amazon, search affiliate marketing a day. I think it's if you literally just search affiliate marketing a day, I think it's affiliate marketing. I think it's an hour a day or something like that. You'll be able to find it, and it's a really comprehensive guide on what you need to do, what you need to watch out for when it comes to affiliates. Now, what I think is important is you got to have the right terms because, like Neil has mentioned, there's a lot of bad actors in the space where all they do is they just care about money. They're going to try to game it however they can to make a buck. So whether it's bidding on your terms or doing some kind of nefarious stuff or doing stuff that maybe putting your brand in front of, maybe putting it on like a porn website, for example, you don't want to be reflected that way. So you have to have really strict terms and you have to actually have someone managing it. So it's important to have an affiliate manager. It's not a part-time job. You got to have someone focus on it. If you can't do that, I recommend not doing it. But I do like the concept of having a affiliate program because if you look at a lot of companies out there, a mutual friend of ours, actually two mutual friends of ours, one is a super affiliate for WordPress. The other guy, his company, 80% of his revenue is driven from affiliates. So if you can find the right affiliates, they're relevant to you and they have the right traffic and then you have the right offer, it's a great marriage and it's going to help you scale your business faster. Now, before I turn it back over to Neil, there are a couple tools that you can use. There's one called Tapfiliate, so just Tapfiliate. And I believe that one is, I was talking to my partner for our SaaS product, and then he was mentioning that this one's 90% cheaper than the other solution. So Tapfiliate is one of them. And then you have Has Offers, which is well known in the space. I don't think it's called Has Offers anymore. And then you have Get Ambassador. Get Ambassador is a guy in this mutual kind of entrepreneur group. You can check out that one. What I think is it called Tune?
No, Tune is a parent company. Has Offers still exists.
Got it. Okay, Neil?
With affiliate marketing, what most people get wrong is they think if you just do affiliates because you're paying for performance, you're going to make more sales. A lot of these affiliates won't do well for you unless your funnel is fine-tuned. So make sure you're running tests, you're looking at your funnel in Google Analytics, see where the drop-off is, and fix it. But the best way to make money from affiliate marketing as a business, you need to go out there and recruit. So look at a company called ConvertKit. They do an amazing job at this. And they're like, oh, you mentioned Aweber. Oh, you mentioned Campaign Monitor. No, you should just offer ConvertKit at the same time too, because here's why we're different. Here's why we're amazing. And plus, if you link to us and you drive a sale, you'll make money. But what they do that's extremely well, and this is how they generate most of their affiliate sales, they go and reach out to their ideal customer or blogs that have their ideal customer. They do joint webinars. By doing a joint webinar that showcases how your product or service can solve a problem for all of those blog readers, that is how you'll generate the most sales. Not just because someone's shilling your product, but because you're educating first. When you educate people on how your product or service can help them, and then you offer them a really good deal for signing up right then and there, the conversions go through the roof. But there's 2 keys with that, and I'm going to state this over again. 1 is education, 2 is offering a deal. If you don't have both of them, the webinars don't convert well. And I can't emphasize that deal has to be good enough where whenever they search any other site, they're not going to get it.
Yeah, and affiliates, I mean, we're talking about this in the context of, software where it's very easy to, append tracking links and things like that. But you can also even do this with the service-based business too. And Neil and I were just talking about a company yesterday that did about $88 million in revenue, I believe, in 2016. And all they do is performance marketing, which is affiliate marketing. And they make it work. And it scales really well for them. They're very experienced in the space. But, sometimes when let's say you're an agency, you might have like a client or 2 where you just know you're crushing it for them and whatever you do is going to turn into gold. Maybe it might be worth putting together an affiliate program and then being paid on performance. Now, some of you might be saying, well, that's really risky initially. Now, I have another friend that works on a performance basis. What he does, and this is for you agency people out there, what he does is he tells the client, a new client, he'll say, hey, why don't you put $10,000 down first, and then we'll run the ads for a month. So basically, you're showing that you're serious, and then, we'll run the ads, and we'll see how the data is in the first month or so. So it could be $5,000, $10,000, whatever. And then if the numbers look good, then you say, okay, the numbers look good. We'll start to put money on our own end. You put up your end of the bargain, and then we'll just run things from there. But again, you have to make sure that you have your things, your tracking buttoned up, you have your terms buttoned up. Ideally, you understand affiliate marketing at least at a cursory level, so you don't lose your shirt, and then down the road you have an affiliate manager to help you.
Last tip from me is when you're paying out your affiliates, don't do net 30, do something like net 60. It'll give you time for the chargebacks and refunds. I see a lot of people paying out too fast. This is where you can lose your shirt, get screwed over. Seriously, don't do anything less than net 60.
Great. So that's it for today. But go to singlegrain.com/giveaway to get marketing tools to grow your business, and we'll see you tomorrow.
This session of Marketing School has come to a close. Be sure to subscribe for more daily marketing strategies and tactics to help you find the success you've always dreamed of. And don't forget to rate and review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you in class tomorrow, right here on Marketing School.